Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on 3 main roadblocks to creating your first online course. So what you will learn in today's video, you learn how to clear the 3 main roadblocks to online course creation. Now there are a lot of people that would like to create courses for the topics they are passionate about, however they faces a lot of roadblocks. Now there are 3 main roadblocks that you need to clear before you can move on to create your first video course. Now how to plan out a video course under 10 minutes. Now do not spend so much time planning for your whole course. You just need to plan out a 10-minute course and to get going. Now shoot your first video course without showing your face is possible. Some people, they do not wish to show their face and they are shy. So the first video course that you create, you can totally don't need to show your face. So there's a way to create it. So you can actually do it easily. The 3 main roadblocks are: number 1 is finding the right software to use for your recording. Now when I first started on video production, I was actually trying to find what are the different free software that I could use. There are many other software that's out there that is free, however they do not suit your need or is basically full of ads. And I would say that by knowing what to use for your recording and sticking to one type of recording software would actually helps you to cut the number of time that you need to find and figure out which is good or not. So currently I'm using Camtasia Studio. There is also a trial version that you can download and try it out for yourself for 30 days. Now number 2, what contents to create. Now if you look into the content curations videos, I actually talk about what are the content you can create and generate easily. And number 3, where to sell the course. Now there are many platforms out there. I will only recommend a few platforms that I personally have tried before, and you can find it also in one of the videos I created. So as a rule of thumb, if you are just starting out on video creation, I'll suggest you go with Skillshare.com where you can create content quickly. Now treat it as a platform for you to practice, because you won't be able to make a lot of money on this platform, and you are actually being paid by per minute watch. However, once you get certain courses popular, you can think of creating a longer course and uploading into sites like Teachable. Next, it's very important to get your belief correct. When coming to online course creation, the technical part is the easiest to be solved, so do not spend so much time into looking into technical, what are the things that you need to do, what are the things that you need to set up, the software. You can just simply take out your phone. If you have an iPhone or Samsung phone, you just can record yourself straight away. It is a video already. Either free or paid software, it doesn't matter as long as you understand the full process of video creation. So free software like OBS, paid software is like Camtasia I mentioned. You can actually try this out and see which one you like using it, because everyone would have a different budget and have a different liking for the software. So I will encourage you to try both. Leverage on your existing skill set and know what you are good in. Try to make a list, like I make a list of what are the things I'm good in. Is it marketing, is it social media, and pick from the list the top 5, and from the top 5 pick the best that you are skilled in and create a course. You can start with a short course and then eventually expand it out. So you can sell on a few platforms, and like I mentioned, you can refer to a more detailed videos that I mentioned on all the 1 or 3 platforms that actually I recommend you to start with and to sell your course. Now as a rule of thumb, if it's your first time that you're creating a course, put it onto Skillshare like I mentioned. Skillshare is a place where you can just produce a course, and they want the course to be at least minimum 10 minutes and you can become a course. Now for experienced course creator, you have to go to Teachable.com, whereby you have total control of everything in terms of payment system, in terms of how much you sell and price your particular course. Now plan your course by following this formula that I have for you, which is the SKIP, the SKIP formula. S is to start with a problem. What kind of problem are you trying to solve? What's your target audience worrying about every day? K, keep a record of your experiences related to solving these issues. Document it down. If you have existing documentations or you have existing results or stories to overcome, write it down and be able to include it into your video course. I, introduce more options to solve this particular problem. Other than your way of solving these issues, what are the different ways that other people also solve it? Introduce it into your course. Let your audience actually have a different perspective to look into what are the different ways that they can actually solve the same issues. Now P, promise result. what are the results that you promised to deliver, or what I can get after taking the action that's been mentioned by you, or after I completed watching this video course. If I took this action, am I supposed to get this kind of results? Always focus on the promised results, and your course will become popular in your particular niche. Now put the point into PowerPoint and start recording your first video. In summary, know what you are good at and make a good list to form the base of your course. You do not need to be perfect, just come up with the skeleton of the course topics. And apply the SKIP formula to plan out your course. Now I've been doing a lot of courses online, and this formula always works and helps me to understand the audience and to plan out a good course which someone would benefit from. And take action to record your first video course. Just make it 10 minutes and your course should be published. So I hope this video is useful to you, and do like, subscribe and share it, and I'll see you in the next video.